The Ravine by Graham Salisbury. First, type your last name in the box here. Next, type your first name in the box here. Now you will select your cycle number. Number 1. What setting detail affects the story the most? A. It is muddy there. B. The area looks like a jungle. Or C. A boy died at this location. Number 2. How does Vinny feel about going into the pond? A. Bored. B. Reluctant. Or C. Excited. Number 3. What is the importance about the legend of the stone goddess? A. It's Starlene's attempt to explain that the boy didn't die. B. Starlene tells Joe Boy about it. Or C. It's a Hawaiian legend. Number 4. Why does Vinny climb up so high? A. He wants to jump off. B. He doesn't want his friends to know he's afraid. Or C. He likes to climb high. Number 5. If something is gnarly, it A. is starting to decay and fall apart. B. is a deep, narrow valley made by running water. Or C. has many knots and bumpy areas on its surface. Number 6. A rivulet is A. a big river. B. a waterfall. Or C. a small brook or stream. Number 7. What does cascade mean? A. to fall, pour, or rush in stages. B. to rain. Or C. to go up. Number 8. What is a precipice? A. a bumpy hill. B. an overhanging or extremely steep area of rock. Or C. a coiled rope or string. Number 9. Who tells Vinny not to visit the ravine? A. Mom. B. Dad. Or C. Grandma. Number 10. How does Vinny feel after he decides not to jump? A. proud of himself. B. angry. Or C. foolish. Number 11. What state does this story take place in? A. California. B. Hawaii. Or C. New York. Number 12. What genre is this story? A. realistic fiction. B. nonfiction. Or C. folktale. Number 13. Who wrote this short story? A. Natalie Babbitt. B. Graham Salisbury. Or C. Gary Paulson. Number 14. How long ago did Butchie die? A. 2 weeks ago. B. 1 week and 2 days ago. Or C. 2 weeks and 1 day ago. Number 15. When on the cliff, what does Starline stick in her mouth? A. A leaf stem. B. Pond water. Or C. Mud. Number 16. Who is Joe Boy's best friend? A. Vinny. B. Mo. Or C. Mrs. Buchanan. Number 17. How old are all of the characters? A. 14. B. 15. Or C. 13. Number 18. Mo jumped from the lower ledge, yelling, "Banzai!" An explosion of coffee-colored water erupted when he hit. A. This is found in the exposition. B. This is found in the rising action. Or C. This is found in the climax. Number 19. When Vinny and the other 3 others dropped down into the ravine, they entered a jungle with tangled trees and rumors of what might have happened to the dead boy's body. A. This is found in the exposition. B. This is found in the climax. Or C. This is found in the falling action. Number 20. But deep inside, where the peace was, where his mind wasn't, he would not jump. He would walk back down. This is found in the exposition. B. This is found in the climax. Or C. This is found in the resolution. 21. Who told Vinny that he needed to get back on the horse? A. Mo. B. Dad. Or C. Starline. 22. Who jumped off the 50-foot ledge first? A. Starline. B. Vinny. Or C. Mo. 23. Stating the same words or phrases over again to make something clearer is A. Onomatopoeia. B. Repetition. Or C. Inferencing. 24. The area around the pond smelled like A. Ginger, iron, and sulfur. B. Mud, ginger, and iron. Or C. Mud, sulfur, and iron. 24. Starline climbed out and edged along the rock wall behind it, moving slowly like a spider. A. This is an example of a simile. B. This is an example of onomatopoeia. Or C. This is an example of personification. 26. What conflict did Vinny face? A. Character versus technology. B. Character versus society. Or C. Character versus self. 27. How old was Butchie, the dead kid? A. 12. B. 14. Or C. 15. 28. In the resolution of the story, Vinny seemed to notice and appreciate the beauty around him. True or B. False? 29. 29. Starlene torpedoed over. This is an example of a simile, a metaphor, or using a vivid verb. And number 30. Were you surprised that Vinny did not jump from the 50-foot ledge? A, yes, or B, no.